Grade 4 SLM number 23, week 8 for the second quarter. Compare and arrange decimal numbers. So how do we arrange decimal numbers? First, we are going to compare the numbers by starting with the highest place value. The highest place value is this, the whole number. So we are going to compare first the digit on the ones place. If they are the same, move to the next place value, which is tens, until you find the one that is greater. If the tens or the ones and the tens place are the same, we are going to move to the hundreds place. If they are still the same, we are going to move on the thousands place. Then arrange it in ascending or descending order. For example, the following numbers. For this given example, we are going to arrange them in ascending order or from least to greatest. We have 1.30, 2.45, 1.45, and 2.25. Again, we are going to start on the least number. We have 1, 2, 1, and 2. If you're going to look on the whole numbers, which is the highest place value, we can see that we have two least numbers, which is 1.30 and 1.45. Now, these are what we are going to compare. If you're going to compare 1.30 and 1.45, since they have the same whole number, we are going to move on to the next place value, which is tens place. Okay, so we have here 3 and 4. Among or between 1.30 and 1.45, 1.30, which has the tens 3, is the smaller one. So it means you are going to use it as the first number for our numbers in ascending order. After that, we are going to follow it, or this will be followed by 1.45. Next, since 2.45 and 2.25 have the same whole number, we are now going to move on to the next place value, which is the tens place. 2.45 have 4 on the tens place, and 2.25 has 2 on the tens place. The smaller one is 2 for 2.25. So this will be the third one. And the last one, or the greatest one, the largest number is 2.45. Next, we are going to arrange the following numbers in descending order or from greatest to least. So again, we are going to compare the numbers or the following decimal numbers starting from the highest place value, which is the ones place. So we have here 1, 2, 1, and 2. And since we are going to arrange them in descending order, we are going to start on the greatest place value. So if you're going to look on the ones place, we have 2.45 and 2.25 as the decimal numbers with the highest ones place or digits on the ones place, which is 2. Since they have the same whole number, we are going to move on to the next place value, which is tens. So we have here 4 and 2. If you're going to compare 4 and 2, the bigger number between them is 4. So since we are going to arrange this in descending order, we are going to include 2.45 as the greatest one. Okay. Then this will be followed by 2.25. Next, we have the remaining numbers, which are 1.30 and 1.45. Since they have the same whole number, which is 1, we are going to move on to the next place value, which is 3 and 4. The biggest or the bigger number between 3 and 4 is 4. So it means 1.45 is bigger or greater than 1.30. So this will be the next number. And the last one will be 1.30. Also, we may compare the following numbers using symbols, which are greater than, less than, and equal.